Welcome to this demonstration of GeoHunt, the mobile application that turns the world into your game board. You can start by creating a new game or downloading an existing game from the GeoHunt website. The GeoHunt website has a downloads page dedicated to hosting example GeoHunts. You can download any GeoHunt file directly into the GeoHunt app. Just look for the .geohunt file extension. For this demo, we've chosen a map version of the DC Memorial Tour. Open up the GeoHunt and then select the first clue. You'll notice that GeoHunt provides tooltips that will help you along the way. For example, in the lower right-hand corner is the button to toggle the current GPS location. In the upper right-hand corner is the proximity icon. This icon indicates how far you are away from solving your clue. To solve a clue, you can physically go to the location, or in this particular instance, we're using a map-style game, so we can navigate there using the search bar. We'll search for the Washington Monument and it will bring us close to the actual target. You'll notice that the sun icon has appeared. If we move slightly away, it turns into a sun with a cloud over it. This is how the proximity sensor can help you figure out how close you are to your objective. We see the answer pop up in a window. Select OK and move on to our next clue. You can use GeoHunt's integration with Facebook and Twitter to post your progress or check in with friends. In addition to downloading pre-existing GeoHunts, you can also create your own. In GeoHunt Create mode, you can build your own exciting GeoHunt games and share them with your friends. Once you've created a new GeoHunt, you can go in and adjust the properties of that GeoHunt. You can change the hunt style from treasure, scavenger to map mode. You can also adjust the clue proximity, which indicates how far away a user will need to be before the clue is solved. Now that we've adjusted the properties, we can go create our first clue. The clue creation view has tooltips that will help you along the way, such as the geo-toggling, the clue text, the clue answer, and how to set a pin for the geolocation of the clue itself. Let's type an example clue in here. What is the tallest building in New York City? The answer to that is the Empire State Building. We can then navigate to the Empire State Building using the search bar. Enter in the text for our search, and Google Maps will take us to that location. We'll choose the hybrid view so that we can narrow in on where the Empire State Building is. And once we get the crosshairs in our location, we will go ahead and set a pin for that clue. Now the geolocation for that clue has been set. You can add additional clues or go back and edit the clues that you've created previously. Now that we've created a new game with at least one clue, we can go back into play mode just like we did previous with the downloaded game. From this view, you can post your progress on Facebook, Twitter, or share the GeoHunts that you've created via email or Dropbox. Additionally, you could submit your GeoHunt to Sundog Technologies for it to be posted on the GeoHunt website. We'll review, and if it's appropriate, we'll add it to the downloads page. For more information, click on the information icon within the app itself. We hope you enjoy using GeoHunt.